Hello, Tomlin here from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com. So this is a slightly different video that I'm doing to what I normally do. So I've been practicing a lot of kind of upper octave tongue splits and doing this kind of. And I've been loving that sound, but I noticed something on my Suzuki Manji in the key of D. When I got down to the 3/6 blow, it's horribly out of tune. So I have a literal graveyard of harmonicas. So yeah, I've got all these harmonicas that I play, and I don't play very hard, so the reeds don't tend to break, but they eventually go out of tune, and then I buy a new harmonica. And that's driving me nuts. It's driving me nuts from an environmental point of view. It's also driving me nuts from a wasting money point of view. So what I thought I would experiment with is sending off a couple of harmonicas to John Cook to get them retuned. So you can hear what this Suzuki Manji is sounding like. It's not very in tune, so you can hear that. I'm going to whack it in the ultrasonic cleaner, put it in a box and send it to John Cook, and then the next time you hear it will be when I get it back from him. I'm very excited. Okay, so I got my Suzuki Manji back from John of John Cook Harmonicas, and it was away for a week, if not less than that. I think it might be like 6 days. And it came back. It's perfectly in tune. I feel like it plays a little bit better than it did before. But anyway, let's have a little listen to how it's sounding. So a couple of things that are important to me. First one is those chords down in the lower end sounding nice and sweet and musical. Okay, so that is a big important part of it for me. And the other thing that you know we talked about before I sent it away was those octaves and making sure that they sound in tune. So let's have a listen to those octaves. Okay, so it's all sounding nice and in tune, and it means that I have this harmonica now that hopefully is going to last me for a decent chunk of time, which I didn't have to throw away. And a lot of people have been asking me, you know, like, what's the point in spending a certain amount of money to get a harmonica retuned if you can buy a new harmonica for £30? That's around $40. And yeah, I get it. So tuning's probably going to cost half or a little bit less than half of the cost of a new harmonica. But I think that there's so much more to it than that. There's the idea of sustainability and not wasting unnecessarily. I'm kind of fed up of this idea of using something for a limited period of time and then just throwing it away. So being able to repair it is great. Being able to support people like John is also brilliant. John doesn't know I'm doing this video. I was just really happy with the work he did, so I wanted to say that. So I'll put a little link to John's website below. So if you want to get your harmonicas tuned or repaired, then do that. He's a super knowledgeable guy. Very, very interesting and very interested in you and how you play and how you want your harmonica to sound. So I think it's worth getting in touch with him. It's a no-brainer getting your harmonicas tuned or repaired if they are custom harmonicas or if they're more expensive harmonicas. It really didn't cost that much. I don't want to say how much it cost because I'm sure that in the future John might want to put his prices up. That's totally normal. I think that's fair. So I'm not going to say, but needless to say, I think it was very, very reasonable, and the service was fantastic. I'll be sending a bunch more harmonicas to him to get tuned and repaired as and when they need to be, and I'd be interested to see how long they last with that. So I might do a follow-up video. All right, if you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Tell me what you think about getting your harmonicas repaired, tuned, etc. Do you think it's a waste of time and money? I'd be interested to know your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I put out a new harmonica video. All right, I'll see you next week. Take it easy. Happy harping.